This is the Liberty Stadium in Swansea. We have 3 partners within the stadium. That's ourselves, the football club and the rugby club. And they all have different needs and requirements. They don't want other people knowing their tactics. We have a number of secure areas and a number of sensitive keys, and these were being taken off site during the night by the people they were issued to because they felt safer having them in their possession. This obviously gave us a problem if that person was delayed getting into work the next day, or worse still, if the key got lost. And in the instance of a general master key, if the general master key got lost, it would cost several thousands to change all the locks within the building to ensure the security of the building. Well, we use Traka to control the issue of all our keys within the stadium now. I've used Traka before in the Houses of Parliament. We installed the same system there. We can control who we issue the keys to, and we can ensure that the keys are returned every day. I like the way in which the keys were all held in their original position, so it made it easier for staff when they come in. They know their key. The keys are still anonymous while they're in the cabinet, but individuals will know where their key rests. Once people know that the key is being monitored, they make sure that it's back. So it doesn't tend to be left lying around in the office drawer for 3 days on end. Certain areas, sensitive areas like our comms room, our external comms room, which is very essential to us on match days, we curfew the key to that to only 1 hour at a time. So we can then ensure that the key is back prior to any event taking place. The system will alert us if it stays out beyond its curfew time. People are more aware now that the keys are in their possession for a set period of time. We don't encourage them to hand keys over, because that takes the control of the key from them to someone else at an undetermined time. So they are returning the keys to the cabinet and reissuing them. It's not a big stadium, so it's not a physical problem to walk from one area to the other, but it makes sure that who owns the key at that time is responsible for it. We purchased the 180 cabinet so that we had room for expansion. We initially purchased 60 slots to go into that cabinet. We also have a catering company based here, and they are looking to add their keys into our cabinet. The big thing I like about the system is it isn't there to lay blame on someone if something happens. It's there to exonerate every other person who hasn't had access to that area.